Peace lilies are beloved for their beauty, air-purifying qualities, and ease of care. But what if we told you there's more to this popular houseplant than meets the eye? While many believe it brings harmony and freshness into their homes, few realize that peace lilies hold a secret most plant lovers overlook. Beneath their lush green leaves lies a surprising fact that could change the way you see them forever. Are they as harmless as they seem, or is there something important you need to know? Before you bring one home, make sure you're aware of the unexpected reality behind peace lilies. Stick around as we uncover what no one tells you about this intriguing plant. Why choose peace lilies? Beauty and benefits. Peace lilies are more than just attractive houseplants. They're natural air purifiers. With their glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms, they bring a sense of tranquility to any space. But their benefits go beyond aesthetics. Peace lilies are known for filtering harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making them an excellent choice for a healthier home. They're also incredibly low maintenance, thriving in low light and requiring minimal watering, which makes them perfect for both experienced plant lovers and beginners. Plus, their symbolic meaning representing peace, healing, and purity makes them a thoughtful gift. Whether you want a plant that enhances your decor, improves indoor air quality, or simply creates a calming presence in your home, peace lilies check all the boxes. But there's more to them than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we reveal their hidden secrets. Understanding Zone 7B, what makes it special? Zone 7B is a unique planting zone with mild winters and a growing season that provides an ideal balance for a wide variety of plants. With average winter temperatures ranging from 5 Fahrenheit to 10 Fahrenheit, 15 Celsius to 12 Celsius, this zone allows gardeners to grow both cold-hardy and warm-season plants successfully. Why Zone 7B is a gardener's dream? One of the biggest advantages of Zone 7B is its extended growing season, which typically lasts from early spring to late fall. This makes it perfect for a variety of plants, including flowers like camellias and hydrangeas, as well as fruits and vegetables such as figs, peaches, and kale. Additionally, Zone 7B experiences moderate rainfall and fewer extreme weather changes, creating an environment where plants can thrive with less maintenance. Whether you're growing perennials, shrubs, or edible crops, this zone provides an ideal climate for a flourishing garden year-round. Avoiding a common gardening mistake: overwatering. One of the most common mistakes gardeners make is overwatering their plants. Many assume that more water means healthier growth, but in reality, too much moisture suffocates the roots, leading to rot and disease. This is especially true for indoor plants like peace lilies, which prefer moist but well-draining soil. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, always check the soil first. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Proper drainage is just as important. Without it, excess moisture builds up and harms the plant. Avoid this mistake, and you'll enjoy healthier, thriving plants in your garden. Finding the perfect spot: sunlight, shade, and soil. Choosing the right location for your plants is essential for their growth and health. Sunlight is a key factor. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others do best in partial shade. For example, peace lilies prefer bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can scorch their leaves. If you're growing outdoor plants, understanding your garden's sun exposure can help prevent stress and weak growth. Shade is equally important. Some plants, like ferns and hostas, flourish in full shade, while others, such as roses, require at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. If your garden has both sunny and shaded areas, selecting the right plants for each spot will help them reach their full potential. Lastly, soil quality plays a major role. Plants need well-draining soil that's rich in nutrients. A loamy soil, a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay is ideal for most plants, as it provides good drainage while retaining moisture. For container plants, use a high-quality potting mix to ensure proper aeration and root health, creating the perfect environment for a thriving garden. By selecting the right spot with the perfect balance of sunlight, shade, and soil, you'll create a garden that flourishes all season long. Planting and propagation: how to grow more peace lilies. Growing more peace lilies is easier than you might think. The two most common methods are division and water propagation. Planting peace lilies. When planting a new peace lily, choose a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. Use a pot with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Plant the lily at the same depth it was in its previous container, then water it thoroughly. Keep it in bright, indirect light, away from direct sun.
Propagation through division.
The easiest way to grow more peace lilies is by dividing mature plants. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and gently separate the root clumps, ensuring each section has a healthy set of leaves and roots. Replant each division in fresh soil and water well and place it in a warm, humid environment. Water propagation. Some gardeners successfully root peace lily cuttings in water. Simply place a division in a jar of clean water, ensuring the roots are submerged. Change the water weekly until new roots develop, then transfer the plant to the soil. With these simple methods, you can easily expand your collection of beautiful, air-purifying peace lilies. Year-round peace lily care, the secret to thriving plant. Want your peace lily to thrive all year? The key lies in consistent care and the right environment. These plants love bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and just the right amount of water. Too much can cause root rot. To maintain high humidity, especially in winter, mist the leaves or use a pebble tray. Feed your peace lily with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 6-8 weeks during the growing season. Keep an eye on the leaves. If they start turning yellow, it's a sign of overwatering. By following these simple habits, your peace lily will stay lush, vibrant, and blooming no matter the season. Watering, feeding, and maintenance, keeping your peace lily healthy. Peace lilies are low maintenance, but proper watering and feeding are essential for their health. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can quickly lead to root rot. Use filtered or distilled water to prevent chlorine damage, and always let excess water drain completely. Feeding, maintenance, and keeping your peace lily thriving. Feeding your peace lily is just as important as proper watering. During spring and summer, apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 6-8 weeks to encourage lush growth and blooms. In fall and winter, reduce feeding as the plant's growth naturally slows. Regular maintenance keeps your peace lily looking its best. Trim yellow or brown leaves to promote new growth, and wipe the broad, glossy leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust. This helps the plant absorb more light. If your peace lily starts drooping, don't panic. It's likely just thirst. A good drink of water will have it perking up within hours. For long-term health, repot every 2 years to prevent root crowding and refresh the soil. Follow these simple steps, and your peace lily will reward you with vibrant foliage and stunning white blooms all year round. Common problems and how to fix them. Even though peace lilies are resilient, they can still face a few common issues. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering is the most likely cause. Let the soil dry out slightly before watering again and ensure proper drainage. Brown leaf edges. This often means the air is too dry. Increase humidity by misting the plant occasionally or placing it on a humidity tray. No blooms? Your peace lily may not be getting enough light. Move it to a spot with bright, indirect sunlight, but avoid direct exposure, which can scorch the leaves. Drooping leaves. This usually signals underwatering. Give your plant a thorough drink and it should perk up within hours. Pests, spider mites, and aphids can sometimes attack. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and, if needed, use a mild insecticidal soap. Blackened roots. Root rot may be the culprit. Trim the affected roots and repot your plant in fresh, well-draining soil. With quick action and proper care, these issues are easy to fix, keeping your peace lily healthy and beautiful year-round.
Final thoughts, the secret to a thriving peace lily.
Peace lilies are more than just beautiful houseplants. They're low maintenance, air purifying, and add an elegant touch to any space. By understanding their needs, proper lighting, watering, soil, and humidity, you can keep them thriving year-round. Avoid common mistakes like overwatering, placing them in direct sunlight, or neglecting humidity levels. If issues arise, simple adjustments like improving drainage, adjusting watering, or moving the plant to a better location can make all the difference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, peace lilies are a rewarding choice. With a little care and attention, They'll reward you with lush green foliage and stunning white blooms, enhancing your home with beauty and freshness. Have questions about your peace lily? Wondering why its leaves turn yellow or how often to water it? Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help. What's your experience with peace lilies? Share your tips or challenges below so we can all learn together. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next video.